Good day to all employers. My name is Melanie De La Cruz, 36 years old from the Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I am a single parent of my 3 children. I have experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait for almost 3 years. I serve 7 members in the families, including 2 adults and their 5 children. Their age is 8, 7, 6, 11 months, and 0 months old baby to 2 years old. My main duties and responsibilities is to take care of the children, feeding, bathing, and changing diapers. I also do the household chores like cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, cooking and baking cakes and patayers. I am a trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking. I hope you will give me a chance to work for your family, and I promise to finish my contract and I will love your children as my own. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you soon. Bye!